Welcome to Korean Study Time. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. Today we are studying Topic 2 Writing, Lesson 2.
Today's topic is expository writing, called in Korean. That's pronounced.
Mike, do you know what means? Is it like explaining something? Like when I try to explain to my Korean friend why I can't eat spicy food?
Haha. Yes, exactly. Means expository writing, you explain facts using data and evidence.
And your Korean friend probably said. That means if you can't eat spicy food, you are not Korean.
Ha ha ha. Okay, let's focus. Today's lesson has 3 main parts. First, let's check today's learning objectives. That means learning goals.
Objective 1. Learn the structure of expository writing. That's introduction, body, and conclusion.
Objective 2. Practice analyzing charts and graphs.
Objective 3. Write a complete expository essay for topic question 53.
Now let's learn some key vocabulary. Key vocabulary.
First word. That means introduction, the opening paragraph.
Second word. That means body, the main content.
Third word. That means conclusion, the closing paragraph.
Fourth word. That means chart or graph.
Fifth word. That means to increase.
Sixth word. That means to decrease.
Now let's learn the 3-part essay structure. This is very important for question 53.
Part 1. Introduction. You introduce the topic and state what the data shows.
A useful phrase for is. That means, the above data shows that.
Part 2. Body. You describe the data in detail. Use transition words like, first, on the other hand, also.
Useful phrases for increased, decreased, slight increase, large increase.
Part 3. Conclusion. You summarize the main trend and state what it tells us.
A useful phrase for is. That means, from this, we can see that.
Now let's practice. First, question 51, sentence completion.
Question 51. Read the following and write one sentence each for blank 1 and blank 2.
People exercise regularly for their health. Exercise helps not only blank 1 but also relieve stress. Therefore, it is important for busy modern people to blank 2.
Answer and explanation. Blank 1, to maintain physical health. Blank 2, to build a consistent exercise habit.
The key here is that blank 1 should match the phrase, not only. And blank 2 should match, it is important too.
Now question 52. Another sentence completion exercise.
Question 52. Environmental problems are serious in modern society. Especially as plastic use increases, blank 1. To solve this, individuals need to make efforts to blank 2.
Answer. Blank 1, ocean pollution is getting worse. Blank 2, actively practice recycling.
Great. Mike, do you recycle?
Of course. In Korea, if you don't recycle, your neighbors will give you a very scary look. It's called the art of reading the room.
Haha. Is very important in Korean culture. Okay, now the main event, question 53.
Question 53, expository writing. Write 200 to 300 characters explaining the following data about changes in Korean leisure activities.
The chart compares 2010 and 2020 data. Internet and smartphone use, 25% in 2010, increased to 45% in 2020.
Exercise and sports, 30% in 2010, decreased to 28% in 2020.
TV watching, 40% in 2010, decreased to 20% in 2020.
Reading, 5% in 2010, slightly increased to 7% in 2020.
Now let's write the model answer together. Introduction.
2010-2020. The above data shows changes in Korean leisure activities between 2010 and 2020.
Body. First main point.
25%, 45%. First, internet and smartphone use greatly increased from 25% to 45%.
TV 40%, 20%. On the other hand, TV watching decreased from 40% to 20%.
30%, 28%, 5%, 7%.
Conclusion.
From this, we can see that digital device use has become the center of leisure activities.
Excellent. That is a perfect model answer for question 53.
Sarah, I have a question. Koreans spend so much time on smartphones. Is that why Korean dramas are so addictive? Because everyone is watching on their phones?
Haha. That's a great theory. In Korea they say, just one more episode. And suddenly it's 3 a.m.
Now let's talk about important writing tips for question 53.
Tip 1. Use formal writing style. End sentences with not.
Tip 2. Use specific numbers from the chart. Don't say increased a lot, say increased from 25% to 45%.
Tip 3. Use connecting words. First. On the other hand. Also. From this.
Tip 4. Write between 200 and 300 characters. Not too short, not too long.
Let's also check common mistakes.
Mistake 1. Using informal language. Don't write right.
Mistake 2. Forgetting the conclusion. Always end with, to show the overall meaning.
Mistake 3. Not using the chart data. You must reference specific numbers.
Great job today. Let's do a quick summary.
Today we learned 1. The three-part essay structure.
2. How to analyze chart data and write about changes using increase and decrease expressions.
3. Important writing tips, formal style, specific numbers, and connecting words.
For homework, try writing your own 200 to 300 character essay about a different chart.
And remember, studying Korean is like eating, it might be a little spicy at first, but you will love it.
Haha. That's so true. Thank you for joining Korean Study Time. See you next time.
See you next time. Keep studying Korean.